Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to hide your Canva designs from other team members. If you want to keep certain projects private or limit access, we will walk you through two simple ways to manage your design's visibility. On your Canva dashboard, let's look at an example. We will go to your projects, and let's say you want to hide some of these projects from your team. Select the projects you want to hide, then move them into a folder. You can use a private folder like this one. We will move them there because your team members have no access to this private folder. To create a private folder that no one else can access, simply click this option to create a new folder. From here, all you need to do is set this folder to yourself only. Make sure you are the only person who can access it, so your team cannot see it. It will stay private, and only you will be able to see it. If you ever want to share it, just click the share option to invite a teammate. And that is how we can hide Canva designs from other team members. With these simple settings, we can keep our work private and control who sees our designs.